Hello and good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Radcrafteria. For today's video, I want to show you how to crochet the fourth part of our round doily, the beautiful doily, the round 16 to round 22. So now grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. Now let's begin our round 16. For round 16, we need to slip stitch on the first chain, slip stitch on the second chain, slip stitch on the third chain, so now we're in the center of our chain 5 and then chain 5, then single crochet on the next, then chain 5, single crochet on the next place, then chain 5, single crochet on the next, then chain 5, single crochet on the next, 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 chain 5, single crochet on the next. Then our pattern is look like this, so continue repeating this pattern all the way to the last 5 chain space, chain 5 and then single crochet in the next space, chain 5, single crochet in the next space. So now our round is look like this. At the end of this round, we need to chain 5 and slip stitch on the first chain or on the first stitches just now. For round 17, slip stitch on the next chain, slip stitch on the next, slip stitch on the next, then single crochet on the 5 chain space, then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then single crochet in the 5 chain space, then chain 5, single crochet in the next space, then chain 5, single crochet on the next. So now our pattern it look like this, chain 5 and then single crochet in the 5 chain space, chain 5, single crochet on the next space, chain 5, single crochet on the next. Then we'll continue repeating this pattern, chain 5 and then single crochet in the 5 chain space all the way to the last space dito, the last stitch. At the end of this round, round 17, slip stitch on the first chain dito, so single crochet, slip stitch. This is the end of our round 17. Round 18, slip stitch on the next chain, then slip stitch on the next, slip stitch on the next, then single crochet in 5 chain space, then chain 3, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then single crochet in the next 5 chain space, then chain 6, single crochet on the next 5 chain space ito, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet on the next 5 chain space, then chain 6, single crochet on the next, then chain 6, single crochet on the next 5 chain space. So now our pattern is look like this: 6 chain, and then we continue repeating this pattern all the way to the last space. Ito. At the end of this round, chain 6 and then slip stitch on the first single crochet. Ito. Slip stitch. So now our round 18, it looks like this. Round 18. So now for round 19, slip stitch on the next chain, slip stitch, then slip stitch on the next stitch, slip stitch on the third chain, and then on 5 chain space we need to make single crochet, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 6 chain space we need to make single crochet, then chain 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, single crochet on the next, then chain 7, single crochet in the next space, then chain 7, single crochet in the next space, then chain 7, single crochet in the next space. So now our pattern looks like this. Continue repeating this pattern all the way to the last space dito. At the end of this round, round 19, need to chain 7, then slip stitch on the first chain dito, slip stitch. So our round 19, it looks like this. For round 20, slip stitch on the next single crochet, then slip stitch on the next, slip stitch on the next, then single crochet, then chain 7, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, single crochet in the next 7 space, then chain 7, single crochet in the next, and then chain 7, single crochet on the next 7 space. Then we'll continue repeating this pattern all the way to the last 7 chain space. At the end of this round, round 20, slip stitch on the first single crochet, slip stitch, so now our round 20 is look like this. So on round 20, Round 21, slip stitch in the first chain, slip stitch in the second chain, slip stitch on the third chain, then a slip stitch in the fourth chain, then single crochet in the 7 chain space, then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the next 7 space we need to make single crochet, then chain 8, single crochet on the 7 chain space, then chain 8, single crochet in the next. So now we'll continue repeating this pattern, chain 8 and then single crochet until to the last 7 chain space or on the first chain space. At the end of round 21, chain 8, and then slip stitch on the first single crochet, slip stitch. So our round 21 looks like this. Round 21. Round 21. Slip stitch on the first chain, then a slip stitch on the next, and then slip stitch on the next, then a slip stitch on the next, and then single crochet in the 8 chain space. So now in the center of the chain 8, then chain 8, single crochet in the next 8 chain space, and then chain 8, single crochet in the next. So now our pattern looks like this: 8 chain and then single crochet, then space, and then chain 8 and then single crochet, then chain 8 and then single crochet to the next. Then we'll continue repeating this pattern all the way. At the end of round 22, chain 8 and then slip stitch in the first single crochet, slip stitch. So our round 22 look like this. And now this is the end of our video tutorial for today. Hope to see you again in my next video tutorial. The last part is Beautiful Lolly, the round 23 after round 25. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone and goodbye.